Hey everyone, it's Kholiswa M with another video. And in today's video, guys, I'll be plugging you guys with a hair vendor. You guys learn rasagadi hair vendor ku DM tsaka, wait. Lere hair vendor mgel, hair vendor mgel. And I can reksetsa hair vendor distiaka. Having a koi reka, why? So I thought, you know what, let me plug these girls with a hair vendor. And it's not just a hair vendor, guys. They also do packages. They also do logos. So just from this video, you'll be sorted for your business. And they also sell mink lashes, which I'm wearing right now. They're very natural. I like them. I don't like very dramatic eyelashes. But you know what, guys, this company, it excites me. And without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So the name of this company is Rose Hair. So Rose Hair is a wholesale vendor, but they do have like a website where anyone can purchase for themselves. And I do have a discount code for you guys. The discount code is on the description box. It's R7, and when you enter that code, you're gonna get 13% off. So yeah, they are wholesale and also retail. They are not on AliExpress. You just check them on Instagram. I'm gonna leave their Instagram handle down below and the website as well, WhatsApp numbers and email address. That's how I've been communicating with them, like with email and WhatsApp. And I must say the communication was so proper, guys. Like this company, like I wish to be like them. Like the communication was proper, and I received the package in like 7 to 10 days. I can say 7 to 10 days. It came to South Africa like within 7 to 10 days, and it reached me in like 5 days because I had to pay for customs, and I took some time to pay for them. So yeah, once you pay for customs, because these stuff, when they come, you have to pay tax for them. They used FedEx. And yeah, I was happy with the communication. I was happy with how everything. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rose. Hey, so the packages, guys, the package of this company is oh my god, it's so perfect. If you watch my previous video, you would see like the difference of what I'm talking about. It's so pretty. Like it's, you know, it doesn't get, I like this material, it doesn't get dirty easily. And it's very strong. It's very strong. So I personally, I'll be doing my packages with them, like come rain or storm. It's a must. It's a must. Before the end of this year, I'm going to be doing my packages with Rose Hair. Like I just have to. And if you are looking to start a lash business, I think you can actually buy with Rose Hair, because they're gonna do packages for you, and then everything will come wrapped and everything. So start your businesses, girl. And another thing, doing packages with them is not so expensive. When I inquired about the amount I wanted, it's something that I can afford. Like it was less than 5k, which is so reasonable for something that is coming to South Africa. So yeah, the hair, guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know about this hair. Like I've been posting about this hair. Guys, look at that. Oh my god, guys, Rose hair, it's amazing. It's amazing. They're actually the ones that made me realize that there isn't something like hair grades okay differently with different vendors. Because okay, Rose Hair sell 3 different types of hair. It sells Remy, it sells Vision, and it sells premium hair. So they made me realize that, you know what, hair grades for different companies are different. So we shouldn't like Okay, this is too dark. Let me change the contrast. I think it's too dark. Okay, that's better. I want you to see the quality of this hair. Guys, this hair. So I styled the hair like this. When it came proper, guys. It came proper. I bleached the knots. And I must say the knots were very stubborn to bleach. I bleached them 3 times, and I felt like the knots were too, like those round things, the black ones, I felt like they were very thick for me. Literally, I'm used to very small knots. I felt like they were very thick for me, and this is a 5x5 closure. It's a 5x5. I wanted to explore a 5x5. I've never used a 5x5, and I think I like 5x5s and 4x4 better because they are less work. With frontal, it's a lot of job. But I think I'll be trying their frontal. Like I love this lace. It's an HD lace. This hair is 18 inches. I love. Guys, look at this. Like, guys, do I have to say anything? Do I have to say anything? You can see for yourself. Like, there's no way. Guys, come on. Guys, I've never felt such beautiful hair in my entire life, actually. And it's 180 density, which is equivalent to 250 grams. I thought this hair was light, but now I feel like it's okay. Like, it's okay. And because I'm short, it's a bit longish. I think it's okay. Guys, this hair, I styled it like this. I think it looks better like this on me rather than a mid part. I think it looks nice like this on me. Guys, I'm lost of words. Like, this hair is amazing. Like, Rose hair is the girl that she thinks she is. Like, I'm lost for words. Like, this hair is beautiful. Very beautiful. You can see from the video. Like, I don't even have to lie to you. Like, girl, I'm gonna be cutting the lace with you, and I don't even feel like putting a stocking cap underneath. I'm happy with this. It's very natural. They gave me a stocking cap, some clips, some ribbon. I love that clip. I must get that clip with them. It has a very strong hold when you are straightening hair. I love it. And also, they have a booklet that shows all the prices of their wholesale. Please do check the website. But what I'll also do to make things easy for you, I'll have like guys, what's going on? Where is the lace? Guys, oh no, like this is not happening, guys. Like, where is the lace? Oh my god, guys, I've never used an HD. Please forgive me if I'm being too hectic for you. I've never used an HD. Where is the lace? Guys, this is not even glued. Oh my god. Like I was saying that they have a booklet that has like prices. Yo, guys, I'm lost. Like, guys, I feel like crying. Guys, I'm teary. Like, I've never had such a lace. Oh my god. Guys, HT lace are the it girl. So they have a booklet that shows all the prices. If you can't find it on the website, what I'll do, I'll have it saved on my story highlights under Rose hair. So I'll save it for you. I'll screenshot it and just put all the things like the hair qualities, whatever. But I don't think I should put prices. For prices, please WhatsApp them. I'm gonna leave their WhatsApp down below. And also, you can also email them. It was 176 US dollars. So for me, I'll have to change my target market if I want to sell HD lace. But honestly, if you are starting out, I think you can start out with HD and start out with the HD market, honestly, because we are moving towards HD laces. You can start out with the HD market. Like, honestly guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I don't even have to glue it down. For who and for what? Okay, this is the where they double that lace by the corner. But it's so pretty. But because I love those finished looks, like, I'm gonna glue it just a bit. I know it's not necessary, but I'm gonna glue it. Guys, can I tell you something about good laces? Like, you don't need edges for them. Like, where do edges fit in here? We'll do them, but they are not necessary. Like, this is, you don't even have to hide the lace if it's too thick, blah blah blah. Like, it's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I did wash the hair, guys. So the hair, because it's virgin hair, Peruvian, what it does, it curls after wash, which is so beautiful. It curls, and yeah, that's how you know it's Peruvian. It curls. Yo guys, it looks beautiful on water. It looks quality on water. So I'm gonna be using got to be spray, just checking where it should be. Okay, I'm gonna be using got to be spray, and I'm spraying behind my hand so that I can be able to control it. Because when you spray directly on your face when you already have makeup, it's a bit, it gets messy, and it's very hard to clean up the mess. So like this, you can be able to control whatever. This hair is beautiful, guys. Like, I was even jealous to try her. I was even jealous. Like, I was jealous that you're gonna have good hair. I was jealous. I was jealous. I was jealous, guys. For a finished look, you can just do it on top. You guys know that you can use the got to be spray on top of the lace and it won't flake. For baby hairs, I think I'll have one here and another one here, maybe a one in the middle. Right now I'm just gonna tie here with the lace so that it melts with my skin. And another thing, if you want to do like these branded satin what, you can do it with them. I saw them on their website. Like, literally guys, go and check out Rose Hair website. They're gonna plug you guys. Like, they are going to sort you out. And don't be afraid to text them on WhatsApp. They do respond. And email. Guys, I lost my edge brush somewhere around the house. So we're gonna use this hair to make our baby hair just here. And I'm gonna use a spray. I'm not gonna use a gel. The spray also does work. And then another one I wanted here. So when you make baby hairs, you shouldn't draw like a lot of hair, just a bit, so that they don't look too fake. And when there's a lot of hair in front, it looks very ugly. So just take a little bit of hair. Final touch up. So one thing about hair, guys, don't say I'm cheating on you when I have this hair already styled. One thing I've noticed about hair, before you actually put it on your head, make sure that it's styled very well. It's hair dried, it's straightened, it's ready to look nice. Because if you're gonna try and make it look nice on your own head, it's gonna give you problems, and you'll struggle to make your hair look nice unless you are a professional or you have magical hands like some of us. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to do the things that make you possible to be plucked, which is subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment down below. And thanks to Rose Hair for plugging this channel with this hair so that I can plug you. Thank you so much. I love the hair. I absolutely love the hair. I'll be definitely be supporting you guys. I'll be supporting you guys, Rose Hair. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next upload. Bye.